Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. The drain pump removes water from the dishwasher to the outside drain. It operates by the main control board. The main reasons why the drain pump would need to be replaced is if the impeller breaks off or the motor burns, causing the dishwasher not to drain. Sometimes the drain pump housing cracks, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Now we need to remove two Phillips screws that holds the dishwasher to the countertop, and one in each corner. So now I'm going to pull out the dishwasher and grab it here on the top and slide it out. And I'm going to tilt it back, jam it under the counter so I can remove the toe panel. I'm going to remove a couple of Phillips screws and take off the toe panel. We're going to place the towel under the pump in case you will have some water left in the sump. And next would be freeing this wire harness from the retainer. I'm going to open that retainer and remove the harness. Then I'm going to use this small flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to insert it underneath of that tab here on the top. That's the locking tab, and I'm going to lift it slightly. And then I'm going to turn the pump clockwise to unscrew. And now we can pull it out. Alright. So this plug has to be removed. I'm going to push on this locking tab. There's a set flat blade screwdriver. And I'm going to pull out the plug. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I have some water in there, so I'm going to put it on the gasket here. And it's going to be easy to push it in. Then I'm going to connect the power plug. And we're going to install the new drain pump. This tab has to be on the top. It's going to lock. We have two channels here and we have two tabs. So the channels will go over the tabs, locking it in the position. So I'm going to press it in. So the gasket will be completely inside. And I'm going to turn the pump counterclockwise. And now it's locked. The tab on the top locked. And now install the harness into the retainer. And we can remove the towel. Now I'm going to install the toe panel. And place it over, match the holes on both sides. And I'm going to put those two screws. Install it using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can lower down the dishwasher. And we're going to install it back under the counter. And now we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to attach it using the Phillips screwdriver. And close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.